Thousands, Comparing Practice 1. Hello, my name is Sarah. Thank you for joining me for this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to practice comparing numbers up to thousands place value. You will need a whiteboard, a piece of paper, or the handout available with this lesson, and something to write with. Let's get started. When we go through these problems, you do not have to write down the numbers. Instead, you just have to write down a correct symbol. The symbols are greater than, less than, or equal to. Greater than and less than point to the smallest number and are open to the biggest number. The equal sign is used when both numbers have the exact same numbers in the exact same place value. Let's see how it works. Our first problem is comparing 2019 and 2090. When we compare these numbers, we look at the place values. Both numbers have 4 digits. Both numbers have a 2 in the thousands place value and a 0 in the hundreds place value. So we will look at the tens. The first number has a 1. The second number has a 9. 1 is smaller than 9. 9 is bigger than 1. The answer is 2019 is less than 2090. Be sure to check your answer. Our next problem is 4,380 and 3,990. When you compare these numbers, we see that both numbers have 4 digits. The first number has a 4 in the thousands place. The second number has a 3 in the thousands place. 4 is bigger than 3, and 3 is smaller than 4. The correct answer is 4,380 is greater than 3,990. Check your answer. Our next problem is comparing 6,801 and 6,810. Which number is bigger? When we compare these numbers, we see that both numbers have 4 digits. They both have a 6 in the thousands place value and an 8 in the hundreds place value. So that means that we will look at the tens. The first number has a 0 in the tens place value. The second number has a 1 in the tens place value. 0 is less than 1. 1 is more than 0. The correct answer is 6,801 is less than 6,810. Check your answer. Next, we are comparing 5,014 and 5,014. When we look at this number, both numbers have a 5 in the thousands, a 0 in the hundreds, a 1 in the tens, and a 4 in the ones place value. Both numbers have the same digits in the same location. So 5,014 is equal to 5,014. Our final problem is comparing 5,478 and 4,479. Which number is bigger? Both numbers have 4 digits, so that means we will first look at the thousands place value. In the first number, there is a 5 in the thousands place value. In the second number, there is a 4 in the thousands place value. 5 is bigger than 4. 4 is less than 5. The correct answer is 5,478 is greater than 4,479. Be sure to check your answer. There are extra problems to compare numbers up to the thousands place value on the handout with this video. In this lesson, we practice comparing numbers up to the thousands place value. Thank you for following along.